Hello guys, say hello. We're on camping site. Look.
Now it's level day 2.
So,
Up to day
ito lang.
1 now. Wait. Up to is kanina when you're not taking him. And now it's
Ngayon,
day
naputol.
2. It's day 2 na.
Naputol mo? Pindot mo yung...
Napindot yung lower button, nag-stop.
Look. Baka hindi nakaplay. Ay, nakaplay. What is this? Look, it's egg. It's egg. Look.
Mushroom.
Hmm.
Look, it's a mushroom.
Yummy.
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 Also having eggs.
Go through. About you, Mama.
I'm also having eggs. How about you, my love? What are you having?
Nutella bread.
How about adding?
Hot dog.
Hot dog. Kasi dito, no? Yung mga bahay na, no?
Maganda yung view dun, oh. Mag-picture kami. Picturean mo nga ako dun, mamay, daddy.
Kinshini at the campsite with mommy. Look. Shinshin, what you plan to do? Campfire. This is your campfire.
It looks like an X.
X mark.
This one's my shoe.
Andun kami nakaparada.
Hey guys, this one's my shoe.
Yeah. Show your sword. Oh!
We have a fence. Also, this one's a campfire. Also, we have a fence to the deer, nothing patuko to the wolf, and the
What?
in the Michael. There's someone damit.
Kinshin,
What?
make na campfire.
But I would make the
Ba't
campfire
tulapit?
with him.
Tulapit to me.
Because he wants you.
Baka paso.
No? Look, there's no lava. Look, there's no fire. What are you meaning you will burn?
Eating. Ano to? Ito ba yung spam?
Oh! Oh! Well, we cut it.
Spam.
It's a mic.
Mm.
It's a mic.
Spam bread. Kinshin, you want the spam bread?
Come red, huh?
Want to bite it?
But
Don't remove that.
I think I don't like video anymore.
Because
Like a party guy. Oh my god, what is that?
want to taste it. The cover like this.
No! I don't like that. How about that?
Mmm.
I can touch it.
Yummy, yum. Taste it. So yummy. Mmm. Mmm.
It looks like it's like leaves.
Yeah.
It's a food of fish. Anak, do you have a chair there? Oh?
Down, sit down.
But I put my chocolate, my Nutella with them now is Nutella.
Look. Shin is kulit.
Go sit there, my love.
Christian, what's that? Libs chips. It's a Libs chips.
Buti hindi pupunta dito yung usok.
Wait, but ang hangin to. You want to make a tree house and live there? Walang,
Ay, yung kon pala yan, ano? Yung katulad ng nasa malapit sa bahay natin.
ano yan?
Yung mataas na puno dyan, oh.
Ay, Nara?
Oo, yung puting nara. Ganda talaga siya, oh.
Oo, yeah, magkakan yan.
mean that?
Finish na kami nag-breakfast. So, mag-adventure kami ni Kinshin. Look! They have a stick. May bahay na doon, oh. Ito ang aming property. Come on, let's go, baba. Careful. Oh, I said careful! May nagmausok, may nag-uuling. Oh, look, come on, come on. What?
Can you hold this?
Why not put there at the table?
Because I need my...
What? Okay lang. Let's go. Anong puno to?
Pig.
Fig tree.
Ano ba yung tinatabasan mo dun sa may tabi natin?
Well, ito maganda dito, oh. Patag. Careful on the snake, anak, ha?
Oh, a cow!
Where?
There. With the color.
Property na nila yun.
Oh, a big tree! Let's go over to there.
Chin, carefully, ha? You do first, you do this, no? Para yung snake will run and the insect. Ganda dito, pa. Ito yung pinakamagandang ano.
Oh, a
Location.
cow!
Pero hindi nakasama ng lupa to. Alam ko sabi ng Kalolan meron ditong muhon, eh. Pag ganon. So to. Hanggang dun sa kawayan. Tapos pag ganon, hanggang dun. Pero ito hindi nakasali. Pero ito yung pinakamaganda. Anong puno to?
Yata yan, oh.
Saan? Yan, puno.
Ay, kalaman si Opar rin.
Saan?
Yan ang dalawa.
Kishin, what you want to do?
Oh! Wow, it's a perfect spot to our campfire.
Sa campfire? Baka may campfire dito. Malilim, no?
Look, it's the perfect spot pala.
Yes.
Also, we can sit.
Look, it's a kaimito.
Daddy, also we can sit.
Don't go there, don't sit there. Baka may snake doon, oh. Baka may bahay ng snake dyan. Here yun, oh. Look, there's a hole there, oh. Oh, look. May hole, oh. Nailig yung snake dyan. Dara, come on.
Oh!
Magbari-bari kayo, oh.
Earring. Earring.
Put the earrings.
Come on, we do this when we were
Yeah,
kids.
when you young. Look. Masyado yatang malaki.
Ay, malaki.
Malaki. Maliit lang.
Mama, it's so small.
May tanim na rin sila dito. Shinshin, you do this, ha? You do this while you're walking. Para yung snake will run. Ah. Ito yata, mahal pag ganito. Yung kawayan na pag gano'n. Ito no. Ito alam eh. Naturo lang din.
Daddy, take a picture there.
This one. Ito yung Nara.
Wait.
Laki no.
Yes.
Daddy, baka a big eagle will come out.
No? Ba't kaya to? Ay, mga magtulingan to no.
Pag yung nagtabas ka, tapos iniwan mo muna dyan na mag-dry. Matay yung damo.
Grabe no. Ang daming kawayan dito. Kailangan kailangan ng talaga ng kwan. Pag masipag ka, kailangan mo ng mga tools, power tools. Mabilis lang yan, no? Maganda rin pala yung Nara, no? Baka ganyan nakataba yan. Pag lumaki, yun yung pinakasagad mo.
Maganda na siguro yan.
Sobrang tanda na siguro na. Pero kung kinulay natin yung Nara doon sa bahay, maganda rin siguro, no?
Kaya lang, bahay natin.
Dapat kahit mga ganun, no? 1, 2, kahit mga 3 meters, 5 meters. Pinche. Pagkatapos natin dito, ikot tayo doon. Come on, anak. Follow me.
Why?
Do some adventure.
Oh, you go there to that plant.
You want to walk there? Come on. Padala kayong mic para kahit malayo ka na, rinig yung boses namin.
Nandito yata sa bag ko.
Diyan?
Mm-mm.
Tap nyo na. Let's go, Shinshin. Let's go there. Come on. Ano to ay? Kalamansi tree? What's that tree? Baka may magalit dito. Ay, may nagsunog doon, oh. Smell it.
Juan, dalandan.
Dalandan. Shinshin, put your... Hindi nasunog. Nakidlatan kaya yon? Ay, sinusunog nila. Ayun, oh, sinusunog nila, mahal.
Basic kasi yung kawayan.
Ah?
Yung basic.
Oo. Pero pag magtatanim ka daw ng kawayan, 10 years before tumubo. Matagal siya doon sa lupa. Pero pag tumubo na, nakaramot na, mabilis na lang. Anak, matusok ka dyan, oh.
Yun yung pang tato ni ako.
Oo. Tsaka yan din yung pinangbutas ni Gerald sa tenga ko, oh.
Diyan, nakakatusok ka na na.
You don't want this? Hat? You put your hat.
Oh, mama.
Don't throw it, because if you throw this,
Lagyan mo patang mo dito ko. Wala hindi mo hawak.
come on. Let's go there. Kahit mahuli ka naman, kahit nasa malayo. Shinshin, what you want to do? To go the...
There, that's the
What you want to do? Oh, baka may bees dyan. May bee. Sige, tusukin ka nila dyan. Pag pinatay mo tong kawayan, mahirap patayin, no? Isa sa mga mahirap patayin kasi nga yung ugat niyan. Kung bagay yung ugat niyan, nakakalat na. Mapapalanta mo siya. Pero ang pinakasolusyon talaga dyan
Kaya.
kuhan, ibenta mo yung hanggang triman mo ng triman. Yung kawayan natin doon, ang dami yun, oh. Let's go there or you want to take a picture?
Want to take a picture of my dad.
Okay. Let's take a picture first. Uy, may snake doon, oh. May snake, oh. Nakakatakot doon, oh. Baka may snake, oh. Hala, let's go. Baka bahay ng King Cobra yun, oh. Yung doon. Let's go, anak. Yeah. There, that at our base.
What can you say about it?
I think there's a zombie inside there.
Zombie? Where?
I think there's a cultist.
Coltes. Look, you hear the sounds of the bird. Ganito. Let's go.
Mama, he looks like yoga do house. Yoga do house. Here. To the forest.
What is this, Shinshin? This is a forest ba? We sit here na. Are you pagod na?
Hindi pa? Oh.
Let's go.
No, I want to.
Tara na.